Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. A mother-in-law's visit. Full story. Back in 2007, a young woman went to stay with her boyfriend who lived alone in Clarendon, Jamaica. She went there on a Tuesday. The Thursday, his sister was having a party. The young woman stayed behind while her boyfriend went. That night, as she went to bed, she felt someone rubbing her legs. She was frightened, so she told herself that it was just her imagination. She fell asleep, but she felt it again. This time she didn't move. She laid there in total panic. She went to open the door and brought all the animals from outside into the house because she was afraid. The next morning, she was sick with fever and couldn't walk. She couldn't get up out of bed. She told her boyfriend what happened when he came home that morning. He checked her head and said she had no fever. He said it was his deceased mother who came and was taking care of her. He explained that the DUPPY of his late mother liked her, but she came too close. He lifted the young woman up, washed her down in some bush water, and said that his mother's DUPPY will never come close again. The young woman felt better instantly after that bath. The funny thing is that his mother's grave is about 10 giant steps away from the back door. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.